Hamza, maybe many of you even know him. He used to look weak like this before, and he himself has said that in the initial days, he built and transformed his body in a natural way with home workouts and a natural diet. And the first step of the self-improvement journey starts with your fitness, because you will never see a person with a good natural body as lazy, demotivated, or depressed. Rather, this makes you focused and disciplined. And along with that, to build a good natural body and to gain weight, you don't need to go to the gym, nor do you need to spend thousands of rupees and take supplements. Because today we will give you a practical to follow workout plan by following which you can build an aesthetic body right at your home. So what makes a body aesthetic? Now first, let's talk about what you are actually chasing. You don't want to become such an overly muscular bodybuilder. You need such a body shape that enhances your looks, makes you energetic, makes you look good, and makes you quite strong. And trust me, achieving such a body is 10 times simpler. But such a body will not be built in a few weeks. To see visible progress, you will have to give yourself at least 90 days. Developing an aesthetic physique simply means increasing your muscle mass and reducing fat. To do this, there are 3 requirements. If you miss even one of these, you will never be able to achieve your ideal body. The first one is workout. During the workout, you break your muscles, meaning you tear them. The second is diet. The protein and nutrients present in the diet help repair those muscles you broke and increase their size. And the last is recovery. Now, to speed up this entire process of muscle repair, you need sufficient rest, which comes from good, deep sleep. First, let's talk about the first pillar, workout. For a V-taper body, you just have to focus on your neck, traps, upper chest, lateral delts, lats, and abs, which gives the body a V-shaped look, which is super attractive. By following this workout program, you will be able to target these muscles well without the gym. You have to follow a push-pull leg split. The target is that you have to take out just half an hour a day for 6 days a week and not miss a single day. You can only skip Sunday. We'll start with the push workout. On push days, you have to do a total of 5 exercises. Number 1. Push-ups. Start with push-ups. This is the best exercise to target the chest and arms. You have to do a total of 3 sets, and in every set, you can do 5, 10, 15, however many reps according to you. Number 2. Bench dips. For this, you need a bench or a small table from your house, or even chairs will work. This exercise will target your triceps and chest. You have to perform it like this, keeping your back completely straight and taking your elbows down to 90 degrees. You have to do 3 sets of this too, with maximum reps according to your capacity. Number 3. Lateral raises. This exercise will target your delts, which will make your shoulders grow. It is from the shoulders that your entire body size looks quite wide. That's why I pay special attention to this. For this, you just need a backpack which you have to fill with weight. You have to take the bag in one hand and move it straight up and down like this. You have to do a total of 2 sets of this with maximum reps. Number 4. Neck curls. Now this sounds a bit weird. Nobody talks much about it. But the neck is the part that connects your brain to your body, and it is very important for your aesthetics. Look at these 2 pictures carefully. See how a thick, heavy neck makes a person more attractive. Now look at this photo. Both are the same person with a good body, but because of having a thick neck, the one on the right looks more attractive. You also have to focus on your neck and do 2 sets of neck curls with maximum reps. To do this, lie down on a flat bench or bed, let your head hang outside, and curl it up like this. Number 5. Flat leg raises. This exercise is for your core, which will target your abs. In this, you just have to lie straight on the empty ground, stick your thighs together, and take both legs up together, lift them all the way up. Then, while bringing them back down, don't let them touch the ground and take them back up. Like this, you have to do 2 sets with maximum reps. This was push day. Next is pull workout. Number 1. Pull-ups. This classic exercise will target your traps and lats. Pull-ups are very important for a good and wider back. You can easily do them at your home. To do this and for a good grip, if you want, you can get a pull-up bar and install it at your home. This is more difficult than push-ups. That's why, to start doing it, do inverted rows. Come under a table like this and perform the exercise. Then, as your practice increases, you can also add different variations to it. But in the beginning, you have to focus on consistency. Do a total of 5 sets of this with maximum reps. Number 2. One-hand shrugs. This is for your traps, where you have to take a heavy backpack and lift it with one hand at a time using the power of your traps. If you want, you can also do it by taking a separate backpack in each hand. You have to do 5 sets of this with maximum reps. Number 3. Hammer curls. This exercise is for your biceps, where you have to hold both straps of the backpack in your hands and bring it up like this. The remaining 2 exercises will be the same as you did on push day. 2 sets of neck curls and 2 sets of leg raises. Next is legs workout. Never skip the leg day. This is because if you don't want your body to look like this, then never skip legs. For strong legs, you have to do these 3 exercises. Number 1. Bodyweight squats. This is a compound exercise that targets all the leg muscles from your hamstrings to your calves. You have to do 3 sets of this with maximum reps. Number 2. Bulgarian split squats. This will target your core thighs. You can perform it by keeping one foot on a small table or chair, like this. You have to do 3 sets of this too with maximum reps. Number 3. Nordic curls. This exercise is for your hamstrings and glutes. A simple way to do it is to take a pillow, put it under you, put your feet under the house sofa or a similar thing, and use your body weight to perform it like this. This finishes your leg day. You have to repeat this push-pull leg cycle twice a week, and your workout is complete. And the most important next 2 pillars are diet and recovery. This is made unnecessarily complicated. You just have to understand that your weight will only increase when you eat more than your requirement. But eating more means a clean, healthy diet. You just have to keep this in mind that muscles need protein to grow, so you have to consume the right amount of protein. Next, for recovery, nothing is better than sleep. You have to strategize every day in such a way that you can get at least 8 hours of sleep a day. For more valuable content like this, make sure to subscribe.